Maybe you are a coordinator here and you're busy saying you're on training. The Lord told me of one of the coordinators that he sees himself as a student in holiness movement, that he is on training, having in mind, tomorrow I will leave. God is laughing at you. If you want to disobey God in the calling for you mercy, go and do your own. Go and do your own. Let's see how it will go. Except you don't have hope for heaven. Will not the Lord want the people to come together? We always want to split. Always want to split. I want to be on my own. I want to be a general superintendent, a general overseer. Not everybody is called like that. Not everybody is called to be a priest. Not everybody is called to be a high priest. You will not perform it. I have given you as a gift to that man. I have made a leader over my people. Serve under him all your days.